everyone, and in this video we are going to be making some chocolate chip muffins. What we will need is 2 cups of flour, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and some chocolate chips, then some baking powder, and some brown sugar. And then with measuring out solids like this, you want to pour it into the measuring cup and level it out until it's at the measurement you need. We're going to pour that in. Then we're going to pour in 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. And then we need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And there's 1. There's 2. And then there's a 3rd one. And then we need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And there's 1. And there's 2. And then there's 3. And then we are going, oh wait, I need to add the 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. And then we need to add the 1 egg. And add the eggshell over. And then the 3/4 of a cup of white milk. And then we are going to mix all that together until it's all mixed up. And try to get it as mixed up as good as you can get it. Once all of the ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. And now we're going to add the chocolate chips. And then we are going to mix the chocolate chips in with the dough. And with the chocolate chips, you can add the amount that you want to add. Once the chocolate chips are mixed into the dough, it should look something like this. And we need to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then with this part, like, you could use a muffin tin. I know this is a cupcake tin. But then if you're gonna use this, like, you can either put liners in it like this, or you could like use a cooking spray and then spray like these little cupcake holders. Or instead, you could get a cookie sheet and then take the rubber liners and put them on here like that. Alright, and then we need to fill up these muffin tins. And if you're going to be using the muffin tins, you don't have to spray them with cooking spray. Then we are going to fill up these tins 3/4 full. And try and get leveled out as good as you can. And then it should look something similar to that. And then we are going to do the the same exact thing here with all the dough. And once all the dough is used up, we're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. You can serve at birthday parties, cupcakes. Once the muffins are all done, it should look something like this.